So give me a high-level take here, first of all. What is Aliph Capital and what is your funding mandate in this environment? Where do you fit?
So we're an alternative asset manager. We're based out of ADGM, and we focus on private equity. We invest in mid-market companies based purely out of the GCC. And our idea is to be very, very active within our businesses. We focus a lot on value creation, within which technology is a huge element, because digital transformation is a key aspect of value add.
Okay, so we've seen a lot of activity from the Middle East sovereign wealth funds lately, whether that's Mubadala, whether that's the PIF, or even the QAA here in Qatar, which has just announced a fresh mandate to invest $1 billion into technology companies, into edtech, into health tech as well. Where do you fit in that category, and what do you think of the activity of some of the sovereign wealth funds when it comes to, I guess, expanding their own investment mandate in the region?
So look, I think this is what's enabling our region, just starting with how this region dealt with COVID, coming out of it with the huge determination to focus on diversification. And I think the big change that we made as sovereigns was we always invested outside and spent in our region. I think the change that's happened in the last 5-7 years is that we're investing outside. That is embodied in the QIA fund of funds, that's embodied in ADQ, that's embodied in Jeddah, SPC. These are backers that we have, and that is enabling the private capital, because a lot of the PE and VC funds would not be able to have the success they've had or get access to funding without the sovereign starting and taking the lead in bringing private capital into the center stage.
So what are the businesses, the sectors or the industries that excite you the most right now? How much capital do you have to play with, and where are you attempting to deploy it?
So our deployment will be across the GCC. We're very excited about both traditional sectors that have been strong for this market, given it's a young market, 70% below the age of 35, like consumer, like health, like education. But we're also excited about new areas which are being actually catalyzed with policy and investments, such as tourism, such as entertainment and other sectors, sports. These are sectors that are new, but again, very ripe for investment. So there's a lot of opportunity there, a lot of opportunity within sectors that are ancillary to the infrastructure that the governments are building. For example, transport and logistics, with so many of the visions focusing on being transport hubs and building ports, that creates a lot of opportunity for private capital as well.